There's a tool that we are building on top of Holochain, which creates a grammar of different types of social contexts for embedding them, that is creating a thing that we're starting to call the weave, as in the weave of social fabric. And I have a story that this can deeply affect the way that what you're talking about exists, because the problem with the World Wide Web is precisely that it's worldwide and that you can't create membrane social contexts.
So let me just say one quick thing here. I so much agree with you, the way you phrase the problem. The way I say it is HTTP and TCP/IP are at the bottom of the stack, and where I'm working on standards are at the very top, at the application layer or the social layer or whatever you want to call it. So yes, we share that. Maybe not on this call, but on a future call, maybe in the Holochain context, we can actually go deep on the difference between the hosting model or standards model and hosting model that we use in my project, in my demonstration, versus Holochain. I suspect that we're talking about carbon versus silicon-based life forms. We're both trying to generate life, but in a completely different set of rules.
Yeah.
But let me stop there. I think that may be a discussion in itself, though, and I'm very curious to compare.
So that was exactly the thing I was going to comment on, which is that in hosting, in the Holochain world, there is no hosting problem. It's gone. And so we should go deeper, and I'll stop right there, just because of the architecture. But I'd love to hear from other people now.
Yeah, I'd love to bring some other voices in, even if it's just questions. I see Jonathan. Do you want to speak to some of what you're interested in and with Nostr in particular? Or anyone else?